Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7a and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Now let's tap on Reset, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here, as you can see, your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So all the settings will be reset, including the network settings fingerprints, so it will remove your remove the lock, face recognition data and lock screen passwords. As you can see, no data or documents will be deleted, so that's okay. So simply tap on Reset All Settings. You will have to confirm it with your pattern PIN or password. And here we've got also the information that your phone may need to be restarted, so no worries if it will black out. And this action cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset All Settings, and right now we have to simply wait. And basically this is how you can reset all of the settings without actually performing the factory reset. So basically that's all. This is how to reset all settings in your HONOR X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.